Yung ice matcha yun, nakikilaman ko yung ice matcha. Ha? Bakit ano? Tara guys, tikman natin to guys kung gaano kasarap ang kanilang ice Spanish latte. And meron sila ditong pandesal na may ham and cheese. Actually, first time kong makatry dito sa Daily Boss Coffee. Say kapanay. Okay, thank you. Ayan guys, titikman na natin ang kanilang ice Spanish latte kung gaano kasarap. Actually, first time ko makatry nitong ice Spanish latte. Masarap. And then ang kanilang pandesal with ham and cheese. Magdadami ko fish. Pandesal, pwede ito guys pang breakfast. Masarap siya guys. Ayan guys, natikman na natin to guys, masarap. I tried the ice Spanish latte. Ang mga must try nila guys is iced coffee and iced cream cheese coffee and mocha dinosaur and iced sea salt Spanish latte. And then meron sila dito guys, iced matcha. Nakatry na ako ng matcha pero hot yun guys. So dito sa kanila, dalawa, pwede kang pumili ng cold, pwede kang pumili ng hot matcha. And meron din silang matcha shake, and meron din silang strawberry matcha shakes. And ayun. So i-try na ninyo guys dito sa Daily Boss Coffee. Dito na sila nakapwesto sa ground floor lang ng Metro Catbalogan City. So try guys ang kanilang mga product nila dito. And para matikman ninyo, lalo-lalo na ang mga hindi pa nakapag-try. Thank you very much guys for watching my videos.